Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can schedule message on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone and then I'm going to open up the Instagram application. I'm gonna go to the Instagram and we're going to immediately open up the Instagram DM or direct messages. Okay, you just click on this icon to open up the direct messages, and then you're going to choose your friend you want to send a message to. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and then I'm going to schedule my message. I'm just going to type in like this. And if you want to schedule this message, you just need to tap and hold on the message like this. Okay, and you can choose the date and time to send the message. And the time zone is based on your device settings. Okay, I'm going to pick maybe this time. Okay, and I'm going to change the time. Okay, and wait guys. Okay, and we just need to click on send on March 12th at 18 and 38. Okay, just click on this option and your message will be scheduled automatically. Okay, and if you want to if you want to delete it, wait, I'm going to show you how we can delete the scheduled message. You can click on the scheduled message here. It's not that clear, but you can cancel it here. I'm going to cancel it. Wait. Okay, like this, and then you can click on the message and you will be able to delete. Okay, and then the scheduled message will be deleted or cancelled. Okay guys, and that's all the way to schedule message on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.